So, welcome to GA Style, and this time we've got a 1 Series BM in the backyard. So what we'll be doing today is I'm going to show you how to remove front and rear door cards on one of these things. Reason I'm removing them because I want to take these handles off, because this door needs to be resprayed. And same goes for the other one, that needs to be resprayed as well. So but yeah, that's one of the things. But today I'll show you how to remove these door cards. So I'm gonna set my camera up and let's get this all started. Right then, I'm gonna be struggling a lot today with all this taking things apart, but I'm getting some tools. Hopefully I can take this thing apart. So first of all, what I can see, I've never took these apart, what I can see is there's a little pin there, so I need to remove that. And there's a posi screwdriver. This is going to be some posi. And then back to nice and taped up screwdriver for the plastic. And then I believe this part should pop off or not, I don't know, but this thing needs to come out. Come on. Right, that's off. I'm not sure whether this needs to come off altogether. It moves, but it's just attached to the door card itself. Then need to remove this, the plastic cover that goes on the top. Just pull it off. And what do we have in there? We've got T25, I think so. No, it's a T20. Oh, this is a bit bad. Hopefully it works. So them two are out, and can't see anything else. So not freely. So now I believe all I've got is just the plastic clips. Yep, just the plastic clips. Pray it off from the bottom, and then I believe it's lift up here. Kind of lift up, it goes to the side and then up, and then you've got one little connector for the speaker, and you unclip the door latch thing and the window wiring, and basically that's how this door card comes off. You've got 5 1/4 inch speaker, and basically that's it, nothing else. So another thing that I'm going to show you as well is how to remove the wing mirror as well, because I need to take that off, and the wing mirror is hidden behind this tweeter. So pray tool again, pray that side off, and then you've got a little connector here. I don't know whether you can see it enough, but there's a little connector that you need to unplug, and it goes for the electric mirror. and then I think it's T30. Yeah, it's T30. So you've got two T30 bolts on the behind this tweeter pod. It doesn't even have tweeters, this one. No, we've got empty space, so there is room for improvement in here. So let's pop these two off. Oh, there is another one. I was wrong. There's another one behind this little bit of plastic. So you've got three T30s to unscrew. And voila, that's how you take the wing mirror off. 3 screws and it comes off. Let's pop this tweeter back in. Right, then another thing is what I will show you is how to remove this door handle as well. So let me set this thing off. So first of all, this needs to come off. And then I suggest you to use an Allen key. 2 seconds, I'm gonna go and find one. Allen key. I believe it's gonna be number 4. Yeah, it's number 4. And then we need to do it. Unscrew this pod. So once that is unscrewed, I'm gonna have to get a magnet to pull it out. But then this part here just comes off. So then you can release it, and the door handle comes off, just pulls off, and that's it really. And then you've got the seals behind it, which just pop off. Come on, there you go. And obviously, since it's got a light in here, there's the put a light, whatever. Right? So this is just staying inside. Like I said, the reason why I'm removing this because these doors need to be great, and I'm just taking these handles off. So that's basically the front door. It's sorted. I'm not gonna shut it because I won't open it. Well, I will open it, but yeah, this is done. And if you would want to remove the mechanism and do that, and then go inside the there and blah blah blah. But next mission is, oh, I've just done it. Well, just as well, I've got more doors. So the next mission is now to remove this rear door, and it's basically exactly the same story really. Pop this little pin off. And there's another fuzzy one, which is loose. So these doors have come apart before. Then the same story again, peel this off. Like that. And what's in there? Same T20. The only difference is with this rear door that it's mechanical, not automatic. So I believe we need to remove this cap off here. And then we have another T20 behind there. So unscrew that one. BMW made it easier instead of having them stupid locks in. And then the door handle comes apart. Simple as that. And now again you can pry this door card off, sorry. And that should be it. Like that. Then obviously disconnect the rear thing, and that's it. Remove the clips that left in the door, push them back. And what I've got left to do is remove this handle. See this little nimble here? Hold on 2 seconds, let me check. Yeah, you should be able to see that one. Yeah, just there, that one there. So let's pop this one off. Like that. And same story number 4. Number 4. But definitely get these out, the screws out, because if it falls in, you're gonna have to strip it off. It's not like it's too much to do, but why? Just like that, slides out. And then the same thing, push it in and out they go. Simple. Quite simple. Good. And then just remove the seals. The last time when they're being sprayed, it doesn't look like they removed anything. I don't know, maybe it did. But didn't do a great of a job. But yeah, that's how you remove door cards and from wing mirror and the door handles on the BMW 1 Series. I believe this is the E78 or 87. Correct me, because I have no idea about these new 1 Series. They all look the same to me, but yeah peeps, that's it. That's for this one, and thanks a lot for watching. like and share obviously, and thanks everyone who subscribed already. Back in about here today, but I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra.